Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haikal Shazwan bin Muhammad Ajamain from class JCS 1431B. So, in this video, I want to tell about my group project, which is application geometry in real life. Before we start, let me introduce you a member in this group. Firstly, me. My name is Haikal Shazwan bin Muhammad Jamain. The second member in this group is Nurul Hidayah binti Hamiza. And lastly is Nur Fazura binti Ishaq. Okay, let's start. Do you know about geometry? Okay, let me tell you. Geometry is a Greek word consists goes and metron, which means earth measuring. In ancient, the Egyptian, the Romans, and the Greeks used geometry in the world of architecture construction. It was used to solve most problems from building construction to astronomy. Right now, we can see that geometry is very important for us. Geometry helps us in deciding what material to use, what design to make, and also play a vital role in the construction process itself. In this project, we already choose one building and one object. The building is Taj Mahal and the object is table fan. So in this project, we can learn about history about Taj Mahal and we can see the importance of geometry in real life. So let's go. Okay, right now I want to talk about history of Taj Mahal. Do you know Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal is an immense mausoleum of white marble, ivory, and it is known as the most amazing tomb all around the world. Taj Mahal is also best known as one of the 7 magical places that have ever created. Next, UNESCO had announced Taj Mahal as UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983, as the place indeed need a full protection. The location of Taj Mahal is placed on the right bank of the Yamuna River in a huge Mughal garden that encircles nearly 70 hectares in the Agra district in Uttar Pradesh. Taj Mahal was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan as a memory of his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal. So that's it, the history about Taj Mahal.
Okay, next we go to the application that involved in case 1, which is Taj Mahal building, and case 2, which is table fan. Okay, so based on our research, we use Taj Mahal building as the first cases in our project, okay, where this building is actually involved in architecture section, okay, and it represents the finest and the most sophisticated example of Mughal architecture. So in these first cases, I have divided into 3 sections, which is the first section should be the mausoleum, the second section should be the minaret, and the last section should be the marble plate, which is the base of the Taj Mahal building. So we will go one by one. Okay, for the first section, which is mausoleum, okay, if you guys want to know, in this section I have divided again into 5 sections, which is the dome, the drum, the building 1, the building 2, and the building 3. You guys have to know about the first section is about the marble dome, okay, because the marble dome is among the tomb, so the Taj Mahal building has been called as the most spectacular feature because of the tomb. Okay, next what you have to know about the first section is about the shape of the building. Okay, as I told you that we have building 1, building 2, building 3. Okay, actually the base of the Taj Mahal building is octagonal shape. Okay, so what I have to do to find the volume and the surface area, okay, I need to divide it into 3 shapes. Okay, that's why I call it as building 1, building 2, and building 3. Okay, next one we go to the second section, which is minaret. Okay, Taj Mahal is actually have 4 minaret, okay, that frame the top, where this minaret is actually 40 meter high. Okay, next one we go to the shape that involved in this historical building, which is a Taj Mahal building. Okay, first shape that you have to know that have in this Taj Mahal building is the dome. Okay, it is a hemisphere. Okay, where the diameter is 17.70 meter and the height for this hemisphere is 24.5 meter. Okay, the second shape is a cylinder, which is referred to the drum. Okay, the diameter for this cylinder is 17.70 meter, and the height for this cylinder is 7 meter. Okay, next shape is a cube. Okay, which refer to the building one. Okay, which is the height for this building is 25.5 meter. Okay, the width is 21 meter, and the length is 21 meter. Okay, next for building 2, okay, which is the cuboid. Okay, the height for this shape is 25.5 meter, the width is 3.54 meter, and the length is 21 meter. Okay, for the fifth shape that involved in this Taj Mahal building is a prisma. Okay, where the height is 25.5 meter, the hypotenuse for this shape is 5 meter, and the side for this shape is 3.54 meter. Okay, next one is the minaret. Okay, the minaret is the cylinder shape. Okay, where the height is 40 meter and the diameter should be 5.65 meter. Okay, the last shape that involved in these first cases is marble plane, which is the base of the Taj Mahal building. Okay, this shape have the height around 5.79 meter. Okay, the width is 57 meter and the length is 57 meter.
Okay, we go to the first shape, which is hemisphere, that referring to the dome. Okay, we use this formula to find the volume of dome, which is 2/3 pi r cube. Okay, we insert the value, which is 2/3. Okay, multiple with pi and then multiple with 8.85 cube. Then we got the answer 1451.739 meter cube. Okay, where I got 8.85 is by using the diameter, we divide it by 2 and then we got the radius 8.85 meter. Alright, now we go to the second shape, which is the drum, that referring to the cylinder shape. Okay, using this cylinder formula, which is pi r square multiple with h. Okay, we insert the value pi multiple with 8.85 square multiple with the height, which is 7. Then we got the answer 1722.402 meter cube. Okay, same goes to the first shape. Okay, 8.85, we got it from the diameter. Okay, which is 7.70. We divide it by 2, then we got 8.85 meter. Okay, next we go to the volume of the building. As I told you, in this building we have divided into 3 shapes, which is square, rectangle, and also the prisma. Okay, next we go to the volume of building 1. Okay, by using this formula, which is BH, B is referring to the base and then H is referring to the height. Okay, we insert the value 21 multiple with 21 and then we multiple again with 25.5. Then we got the answer 11,245.5 meter cube. Alright, next we go to the building 2, which is cuboid. Okay, using the same formula with the first building. Okay, BH. Okay, we just insert the value 21 multiple with 3.54. Okay, and then multiple again with 25.5. Then we got the answer 1895.67 meter cube. After that, we go to the building 3, which is prisma. Okay, to find this volume of this building, okay, we use the same formula with the building 1 and building 2. Okay, insert the value 1/2 multiple with 3.54 multiple with 3.54 because this one is the base, because the base is triangle, so we use this formula. Okay, and then we multiple with 25.5. Okay, and then we got the answer 159.778 meter cube. Okay, where I got 3.54. Okay, we got from the building. Okay, where we use the law of sinus to find the side for the triangle. Alright, then we go to find the volume of the minaret. Okay, the minaret is cylinder, so we use the formula of cylinder. Okay, to find the volume of the minaret, which is pi r square multiple with height. Okay, so we insert the value pi multiple with 2.825 square multiple with 40. Okay, then we got the answer 1002.875 meter cube. Alright, the radius, okay, just using this 5.65 divide by 2, okay, we got 2.825 meter. So for last shape that involved in case 1 is the marble plate, which is the base of the Taj Mahal building. Okay, we use this formula to find the volume for this base, which is BH. Okay, so we insert the value into this formula. Okay, 57 multiple with 57, and then we multiply again with 5.79 meter. Then we got the answer 80,811.71 meter cube. Okay, so lastly is the total of the volume of Taj Mahal. Okay, we just insert dome plus drum plus building 1 plus building 2 plus building 3 plus minaret and plus with the marble plane. Okay, then we got the answer 36,289.674 meter cube. We go to the surface area. Okay, for the first shape is dome, which is hemisphere. Okay, we use this formula to find the surface area of dome, which is 3 pi r square. Okay, insert the value. Okay, 3 multiple with pi multiple with 8.85 square. Then we got the answer 738.172 meter square. Okay, where I got this 8.85 is by using the diameter. We just divide it by 2. Then we got the radius, which is 8.85 meter. Alright, the next shape is the drum, okay, which is a cylinder shape. Okay, we use this formula to find the surface area for drum, which is 2 pi r multiple with h plus r. Okay, so insert the value. Okay, 2 multiple with pi multiple with 8.85, okay, multiple with 7 plus 8.85. Then we got the answer 881.358 meters square. Okay, same with the first shape, 8.85 is the radius. Okay, by using the diameter, we divide it by 2. Then we got the radius 8.85 meter. Alright, next building 1. Okay, to find the surface area for building 1, okay, we use this formula 2b plus bh. Okay, we insert the value into the formula. 2 multiple with 21 multiple with 21 and the plus with 84 multiple with 25.5. Then we got the answer 3024 meters square. Alright, after that we go to the building 2. Okay, same formula with the building 1, which is 2b plus bh. Okay, to find the surface area for this building. Okay, insert the value into the formula. 2 multiple with 21 multiple with 3.54, okay, plus with 49.08 multiple with 25.5 meter. Then we got the answer 1400.22 meters square. Alright, for the third building, okay, to find the surface area for this building, okay, we still use the same formula for the building 1 and building 2. Okay, 2b plus bh. Okay, we insert the value into the formula. 2 multiple with 1 over 2 multiple with 3.54 multiple with 3.54. Then we plus with 12.08 multiple with 25.5 meter. Then we got the answer 320.572 meters square. Okay, then we go to the minaret, okay, which is it's a refer to the cylinder shape. Okay, to find this surface area, we use this formula, which is 2 pi r multiple with h plus r. Okay, then we insert the value into the formula. 2 multiple with pi and then multiple with 2.825 and then we multiple with 40 plus 2.825 meter. Okay, then we got the answer 760.144 meters square. Okay, for the last shape that involved in these first cases is the marble plane. Okay, so to find this marble plane, okay, the surface area for this marble plane, okay, we use this formula, which is 2b plus bh. Okay, we insert the value into this formula. 2 multiple with 57 multiple with 57 and then plus with 228 multiple with 5.79 meter. Then we got the answer 7,818.12 meters square. Okay, so to find the total surface area of Taj Mahal, okay, we just insert dome plus drum plus building 1 plus building 2 plus building 3 plus minaret and plus marble plane. Okay, then we got the answer 40,942.586 meters square.
Based on our research, we use table fence for important requirements such as when we have an important event. We can use this table fence because it is easier to bring it everywhere. It is lighter and smaller than other fence. Other than that, we can use it to get a fresh air and we can also control the fence speed. If we want a strong air, we must press the highest number at the button, which is at bottom of the fence. Besides, the fence can turn about 180 degrees, so the wide range of the air is higher because if someone sits at another place, the air can still reach them if they're not too far from the fan. In addition, if someone has a small house, they do not need much space to put the fan because the size of fan is small and they can easily remove it when they do not want to use the fan. For the second case, we decide to choose fan table. From this fan table, we can conclude that it have 4 types of shape, which is sphere as a solid grill, cylinder as a motor housing, frustrum as a guide, and lastly another cylinder as a base of the fan. For each shape, they have its own measurement. First, the solid grill. It have a diameter which is 5.3 cm, radius 2.65 cm, and the circumference is 143.6 cm. Second, the motor housing, which is diameter is 10.8 cm, radius is 5.4 cm, height is 16.8 cm, and circumference is 35 cm. Third, the guide. Small diameter is 5.3 cm, small radius is 2.65 cm, big diameter is 6.3 cm, big radius is 3.15 cm, height is 21.4 cm, and circumference is 21.5 cm. Lastly, the measurement of this fan table is the base, which is diameter is 22.8 cm, radius is 16.4 cm, height is 1.7 cm, and circumference is 97.9 cm. Okay, lastly for the mathematical calculation in this case 2, which is fan table, we supposed to calculate the each of the shape and we calculate the surface area and the volume. So let's go. For the first shape, it is sphere, which is solid grill. We use the surface area pi d square. Pi as pi and d, we put the diameter 5.3 cm and we got 88.247 cm square. And the volume, we use formula 4/3 pi r cube, which is 4/3 multiplied with pi, and the r we put 2.65 cm, and the total we get 77.952 cm cube. Okay, for the second shape, we use cylinder, which is as a motor housing. The surface area formula, we use 2 pi r in the bracket h plus r. So we put the measurement into the formula. 2 multiply with pi multiply with r, which is 5.4, and multiply with height plus r, which is height is 16.8 cm plus r 5.4 cm, and we get the total 753.228 cm square. And the volume of the motor housing, we use the formula pi r square height h, which is we put it into the formula pi multiply with 5.4 square multiply with h, which is 16.8 cm, and the total we get 1539.029 cm. Okay, for the third shape, we use a spectrum, which is we call as a guide. The surface area, we use the formula pi in the bracket r small plus r big, and third in bracket r big minus r small square plus h square plus pi r square plus pi r big square. So we just put it in the formula and we get the total 66.925 cm. For the volume, we use 1/3 pi h in the bracket r small square plus r small r big plus r big square. So we just put it in the formula and the total we get is 566.806 centimeter cube. For the last shape, which is cylinder, we call it as a base. So the surface area, we use formula 2 pi r in the bracket h plus r, and then we just put the measurement in the formula, and we get the surface area 1865.101 centimeter square, and the volume we use formula pi r square h, which is we just put the measurement into the formula, and we get 1436.437 centimeter cube.